Welcome to another episode of Sledge Brothers. We are here to mash, and we are going to take out the Cuisinart coffee maker. There's a close-up before. It will not look like this in a little short while. We're using the Red Sea, and I'm going solo. Steven is not here today. I will be solo sledging the coffee maker for charity, so that we can send animals to those in need. Let's get to it. Here we go. Let's sledge. Yeah! Alright, so we've piled up the debris, and as you look through it, there's some cool stuff. Look at that. It's probably used to heat the water and spit it out. Probably filters through there. That's pretty cool. Never seen that in the coffee maker, because it's always hidden. There's a filter. I'm wiring some of the electronics down here. And here's where you put the pot. We should have put the pot in there. Mash the glass.